It's Tuesday, mate. Alright, so this week we've got a Blackridge pressure washer. This is a petrol jobby. I got this to, I used to have a little electric one, but it just never really cut the mustard. So I went back to the old combustion engine. Some sort of assembly tools and instructions. Gun, wheel, extension, second wheel. These wheels are solid, so don't have to worry about getting flats. Hosing, miscellaneous part, hose, about 5-6 meters worth, and the engine. So the wheels are quite easy to install. They just got these little pins on a spring in there. Just pop it in the side. Dunskies. This backboard, handle, pull, nozzle holder all in one bit. Straight in there. Chuck the pins in and you're sorted. So, the Blackridge pressure washer. Real happy. I've only had a small test. Again, neutral Tuesday, you know the deal. I pressure washed my patio. I'm not sure how good the results look on the video yet. I haven't edited it, but it was impressive to the eye. I gave it a go over with the 15-degree nozzle, which was more than enough to lift the dirt, grime, and the fungus that the patio had gotten over the last couple of winters without anyone looking after it. It's got more than enough pressure. Like, if you put the 0-degree pencil spray, you carve it into stuff, you know, lift and paint, absolutely destroying the joint. So if there is the dirt and the grime job on, it's gonna cut through it. Just those range of nozzles, big fan of. Another thing I'm a big fan of is the automatic detergent feed. This is one thing my previous pressure washer didn't have. So you chuck your washing detergent in the back there, automatic siphons, so you can give it a good spray over with the 40-degree, let the detergent sink in, whatever you're using to help lift the dirt and grime, and then you swap your nozzle and smash it out, really lift the grime up. I mean, it's a little goer. I filled up the oil, filled up the fuel, just gave her 2 pulls and she was going. Now it's like a 1-2 pull start, like just once it's warm, choke off, it runs. Solid wheels, the height of it, it's quite good for pulling around. You don't actually have to crouch over, the handle's just high enough. Could be a tad higher, but I'm a taller person than most, so it's quite easy to move around. One little nagging bit is the cord, but I feel like that'll get better over time. Because it came pre-wrapped up and it's been sitting like that, it wants to fling back to its natural state. That'll probably work out. over a couple uses, a bit of time, you know, it'll flex up a bit more. But right now it's quite rigid and, you know, a little bit of a pain, but this is the same as the extension lead that's being rolled up in the cold. You know, it takes a little while to warm them up a bit. For cleaning stuff around the house, if you want to clean the outside walls, your patio, you've got a big dirty piece of equipment, even washing your car, like obviously you go crazy with it on the wrong spray, you gotta lift paint. But that also means, you know, it's powerful. If you've got cleaning to do, you're gonna do it with this. It's a pressure washer. When you have one, cleaning becomes a lot easier. You don't need one to get by and survive in life, but if you have one, life gets a whole lot easier. Sunday chores get a whole lot easier. Life gets easier. If you don't have a pressure washer in your kit, you should think about it. Especially if you're cleaning. Especially if you're like, you know, always trying to fight the inevitable mess monster that keeps coming around the corner.